Hello everyone, welcome back to Triveni School online classes. I am your maths teacher Ravina Rathi. So students, we are back with a new video with a new topic of 5th class, shapes and pattern. In this we will discuss about the different types of shapes and patterns. Students, pattern you can also observe in your daily lives, like in your floor tiles, your kitchen tile, bathroom tile, or any bed sheet, or your mother's or grandmother's suit. So means in pillow covers also there are many patterns drawn. So these patterns can be in any form, students, like in numbers, shapes, or any alphabets. So this can be in any form. So we'll discuss about the patterns. Now first of all, what is symmetry line? Symmetry line is the line which is dividing any object into two equal parts, and the symmetry line can be of any object, like can be of any number in mathematics, or can be of alphabet, like 8. 8 is having two symmetrical lines. One is vertical, this line is vertical, students, and this line is of horizontal. While drawing this dotted line, we are looking at the figure, that the figure is divided into two equal parts. A also and B also we can divide. This A is having horizontal symmetrical line, vertical symmetrical line, and B is having horizontal symmetrical line. So this is the symmetrical line. Now pattern. Suppose in pattern, students, you have to find out, sometimes you have to find out the next term, or you have to find out the odd one out. First of all, what you have to do, you will look at the pattern, and then students, suppose this arc is drawn here. What you will do, you will mark the positions, first, second, third. So the next position will be first again, then second. So if we are asked to find out two terms, so what we will do, we will just draw the figure as it is, and we will mark the arc at first place again. In the next, this is the first place. After first place, the arc will be marked at second position. So this is the second position. Like this we can complete this pattern, students. Now this rotation is of 1/4, and this is of 1/3, student. This, when we are looking at the rotation is at 1/4, so this above part will reflect at the right hand side, and the right hand side will move towards, means the pattern will move like this. This is the clockwise. If the pattern is moving like this, this pattern will be, like this pattern will be considered as anti-clockwise. So in this case the pattern is moving clockwise. So the A, this is the A, and this A is taking a turn 1/4, yani quarter turn it is taking clockwise. So this upper portion will be moved at right hand side. Then in the next place, in the next term, the right hand side portion will be at the downward direction, and downward will be moved at left. So the next two terms will be, it will again take 1/4 turn. So 1/4 turn means the left side part will move above. Okay. So like this we can complete the pattern. In the next also, students, you can mark the positions. First this 0 was at this place, then at this 3, 4, this must be here, 4th. Now in the next case, the 0 will be marked at first position or first place again. In the next figure, the 0 will be marked at second place or second position. Now arrows. These arrows are also taking 1/4 turn in the clockwise direction. So this is moving like this, and it is taking 1/4. So you will just rotate this at 1/4. Means the upper part will become at the will be drawn at the right hand side, and the right hand side will move at the left hand side. Like this. In the next term, how we will find, we will just move this turn again 1/4. Okay, so this was about shapes and patterns, students. Now we'll discuss about the magical squares and magical triangles. Now magic square, magic triangle, and magic hexagon. In these students, what you have to keep in mind is that in the magic square, the number which are present diagonally or at the any side, like this or like this, the sum will be same as the of every line, like this. 23 plus 24 plus 25 will be equals to 21 plus 24 plus 27. So the term A, B, C, D, suppose here. So the sum of 21B and 23 will be same as the sum of diagonal numbers. So what we will do, we will add this all this diagonally. So 25 plus 24 plus 23. So 25 plus 24 is 49 and 49 plus 23 is 72, and of this also the sum will be of 72. So to find out A, 21 plus 25 will be 46. So when we will subtract 46 from this 72, so the answer will be 26. So in the A part, what will be the answer? 26, students. For this B, 21 plus B plus 23 will be also 72. So 21 plus 23 will be 44. So the answer will be 28. So B will be equals to 28. So means at the place of B, 28 will be there, at the place of A, 26 will be there. So in this case, D or C, you can say 25 plus 27 will equals to 52. So the answer will be 20. So at the place of C, what will be the answer? 20. So now 23 plus D plus 27. So 72 minus sum of this. So what will be the sum? 50. So the answer will be 22. At the place of D, what will be the answer? 22. So this is about the magic square. In the magic triangle also, students, the sum in each side, like in this or in this or in this, will be equal in every side. So 24 plus 30 plus 21. What will be the answer? 24 plus 30, it will be 54. 54 plus 21 will be 75. Okay. Now we have to find out this and we have to find out this. So A will be equals to 21 plus 27 is 48. So the sum is 75. So 48 will be subtracted from 75. So the answer will be 27. So in the A part, what will be the answer? 27, students. In the B part also, what we have to do, we will add this and it will be 51. We will subtract 75. We will subtract 51 from 75. What will be the answer? 24. So at the place of B, what will be the answer? 24. Now magic hexagon. In first of all, what is hexagon? The figure or the polygon which is having 6 sides. So in this, what you have to take care, the number present in the circle and the number present in the square. Yes, the number present in the circle will be multiplied and answer will be written in the square. So 8 3s are 24. In the next case, here 56 is given, here 8 is given. So in the table of 8, 56 comes at 7th place. So 7 6 are 42, 6 5s are 30. Now in the table of 520 comes at the place of 4, and this will be verified itself. 4 3s are 12. So students, this was about shapes and patterns. I hope you all enjoyed it and understood it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.